Hey, this is Keith Tobias and Michelle Scheimer from Michelle Scheimer's Fitness and BONA Fitness. We're doing our Pilates hundreds today. Her belly button's engaged and down, whether her hands are over her head or whether they're by her side. We're trying to keep our belly button engaged and down. Don't let that stomach get round. It'll grow that way. With every time she moves her hand, she's exhaling. We're doing 10 on this side, 10 on that side. Good. Trying to get those breaths and those hands synced up. 10 on this side, 10 on that side. We're doing 3 times through, Michelle? Yes. All right, 3 sets of 10 each way. Belly button has to stay engaged. Try to leave that back engaged to that floor and always exhaling. Like I say, if you have any questions, find us on Facebook at BONA Fitness Katie or visit our website at bonafitness.com or follow Michelle on her blog at Michelle Scheimer Fitness. Good work.